Dear friends, let us place our hearts in the Immaculate Heart of Mary today. We look at her and tell her, Mary, my mother, watch over me as only a mother like you can. This is a prayer for you. Tell her in the comments, Mama Mary, keep my heart close to you.